Hello, hi. Let's not draw too much attention to the fact that I'm vlogging right after posting a vlog. Like, let's be cool about it. Let's not spook me. Yes, I do match my bra to my workout clothes because you're always gonna see my bra. It's just a fact of having large breasts that might as well, you know, coordinate it. But it's Sunday and we're just kind of having a putz around the house sort of day. Alex and Angel are in the garage pouring some resin. I'm going to go to the gym later. I've been picking up all those like promotional products from that bag I showed you in the last vlog. I'm kind of been like trying to put stuff away and organize it, laundry, you know, that kind of stuff. But I didn't realize how much footage I had from before my birthday in that last vlog. So I just like mushed everything together, and there's still a lot of things that I wanted to like share and like catch up with you guys on, and I didn't want to like tack it on to the end of that vlog because I don't like my vlogs to be like super long, like no more than like that one is like 11 minutes, and that to me is a really long video. So I figured just do another one. So okay, now I'm making it awkward. Because it's been literal ages, I feel like I've had these shelves for a while, but to you, they'll be new. But we put them up next to my desk. Over here is just kind of like a blank wall. Alex's office, like Reno, kind of inspired me. So these were from his old office upstairs. And I just put some of my little trinkets over here. These are my morning pages. So I write 3 pages every morning. Sometimes it's just every day if I can't do it in the morning. Like right now I'm like a page and a half into my 3 pages and it's afternoon. So my 3 pages a day are these. So it's really cool just to see them all stacked up. Like that's all filled with my rambly thoughts. Hit clips must be up there. My dad 3D printed that for me. That's my Maize and Blue award that I'm super proud of. Cards. And you've kind of seen the rest of it before. And this little thing that I made ages ago. But I think it just really fills the space nicely. And I still want to put something on this wall next to my giant cat. And then I feel like my office would look like 100% done. Is that ever a thing? I'm sure it'll change, but I'm really happy with it once I get something right there. So we recently started carrying Half-Baked Harvest's cookbooks in Courage and Soar. And of course I had to snag a couple for myself because when we were in Colorado, we stayed with my friend Sarah and she cooked recipes from these and they were amazing. So these are like super simple ones, then every day. So there's like pictures for everything. Oh my God, this looks so good. All of the different meals. They just look like fancy, like elevated takes on very like cozy, simple meals. So I am excited to cook through these. I'm much more of a baker. You guys know this about me, but I'm trying to get into cooking a little bit more. People are always so impressed with my plants, but what you don't see are the ones that die. She just, oh, so pitiful. So I got dressed and I'm wearing all blue. Alex came in wearing all green. Power Rangers, assemble!
By the power of trees.
By the power of monochrome.
You would have been water. Missed opportunity.
Earth and water. We need to get Angel to wear red. She can be fire.
Yeah, red.
So it is Monday night and I thought, what the heck? Why not start packing for Hawaii? We leave Friday. So my plan is just to kind of like pull some stuff together, make a list of things that I need to remember to grab more last minute, like medications and stuff like that that I will use the morning of. But I think my anxiety is demanding it that I at least put some clothes in a bag at the very least. So I made this super short list a couple of weeks ago of just things I wanted to make sure I remembered that I needed to do, and then random things I wanted to make sure I packed. So I'm gonna go grab most of this stuff just to make sure I have it around, and then I'm gonna add like cell phone charger, makeup, that kind of stuff, that like last minute stuff. Don't get too jealous of the outfit, bros. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. So I found all of these shorts and like capris. Pretty sure none of these fit me, but we can try them on. Okay. These work. That's awesome. Was not expecting that. Yeah, like this is a super promising experience for me right now. How do you make your shorts not like wrinkle up like this? Because I struggle. But I thought a million percent that these weren't gonna fit. So, feeling great. I ate a salad today, that's probably why. Like, how do I stop this? Do I just pull them out of the dryer like super fast? Or like air dry them and shake them out? Like how? Don't tell me it's ironing, because then these are going straight to donations, because I can't live that kind of life. So we will be gone for 3 weeks, but fortunately the house we're staying at has a washer and dryer, so we don't have to pack that much clothing. But I still want some options, because a lot of the times we will go to the beach and then go out to a nice dinner or something. So we want to be able to have some things that I can change into, and so all my photos aren't me in like the same 3 outfits. That happened last time. I was like, I literally only wore 2 things while I was here at this house. We went last September, so it's really exciting to be able to go again, and this time with my pal Lauren. So I have some clothes that I set aside so I didn't wear this week, but then I also have my swim shirt that I wear when we snorkel, a 2-piece, a 1-piece. This is my hammock. I have an NO double nest, and then the cords, the straps, and I just put it in my rock climbing harness bag. This makes me look way more fit and athletic and outdoorsy than I am. It's just a good shape to hold the gear. But I will be hammocking my butt off when we're in Hawaii. So I'm just gonna keep piling things I think I will want to bring, and then I'll bring out my packing cubes and kind of sort it out. I'm alarmed by myself, but I'm actually, TARDIS butt. I'm actually bringing workout clothes. I turned 30 and I'm a different person. Also, this camera angle is what you subscribed for. These are the packing cubes I use. I got them from Amazon and I freaking love them. I did a lot of research, and these were the most affordable and highest quality I could find. So I will link them below if you're looking for them. And I did not believe the hype about packing cubes. I was like, is this just another one of those silly travel things people say you need but aren't actually necessary? They are so great. There's compression ones, which can shrink down even more, but I find just using packing cubes is more than enough for me. So right now I'm just piling by so I have these Target longer capris, my REI hiking shorts, that pair of jean shorts. I'm going to probably bring the tan shorts if I figure out how to make them not wrinkly, and some sleep bottoms, pile of underwear, a dress for nicer dinners, this jumpsuit from Courage and Soar, t-shirts, shirts, that sort of thing. This is my workout stuff and my swimsuit stuff and all the weird odd and ends. My Baze backpack, it's amazing. It's totally worth the price. I thought it was insanely expensive, and I really like their weekender, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do it. And I got it maybe almost a year ago at this point. It is amazing. I'll show you as I fill it. And then my suitcase, it's a Costco suitcase. It's nothing special. So I think I'm going to roll everything up and just leave it so I can add more things to it after laundry is done. And obviously I have a few more days of living before we leave. But I think this is a pretty good start to help my anxiety brain. All right, this is what I have so far, and I think I'm going to call it for today because most of the other stuff is in the laundry or I still need it. So that's it for today. That's it. Oh my gosh. Terror. You diabolical monster.